Hi everyone, welcome to module 3, lesson 3. Okay, as you can see here, today we're going to learn about applying cell styles as well as clear formatting. Alright, for applying cell styles, what are cell styles? If you go to the home tab in the styles group, you'll be able to see cell styles here. Okay, if you select it, you'll be able to have all the various styles. Now, I'm currently having A3, C3, E3 and G3 selected. Okay, so I could change their style using whatever I want. Maybe I can select this to be bad or to be good or to be neutral. So it doesn't really matter. Now what the most appropriate one would be over here would be heading. Okay, so maybe I select heading. Now notice the cell styles are not mutually exclusive all the time. All right, so as you can see here, I selected neutral and then I selected heading. Okay, so I selected neutral. What affected the neutral was the font color as well as the fill color. All right, but then after that, subsequently, I selected the heading 3. Now, heading 3 adds a underlined as well as changing again the cell, the font style and the font color. All right, so that all of that will be changed, but notice that the fill color does not change. Okay, so it's not necessary exclusive. Of course, it really depends as well. Certain cell styles will affect every single thing inside. Okay, so you can also create your own new cell styles or merge them. All right, so we will not go into detail for this one. You can explore it on your own first if you wish so. So basically, you can see cell styles as a form of a preset, uh, preset custom settings that you might want for with that involves all the font customization as well as the cell customization. All right. For as for clearing formatting, okay, so let's say we don't want any more clear formatting. You can select the whole thing. If you go to the home tab, the editing, all right, you see something that looks like an eraser. Okay, if you hover it, it will be clear. You can now, if you select clear all, what will happen is that everything will disappear. Now, that is not what we want. We want to maintain the data inside, but we don't want the format. So what you should do is to clear format. Okay, so you notice if you clear format, it will go back to the default setting. Okay, to the original default font, font color, font size, etc. Okay, of course, if you want to, you could also just clear the content and leave the format there. So if I clear the content, the format maintains. So even if I type in anything new, it will be as per the original as like the what you have already set as the format in those cells. Okay, thank you everyone.